everybody on the outside of the track so the guys can see. I don't want any kids in the middle. I want guys on the outside of the track. This is A main right here. We're running for trophies.
Good luck.
Yeah, you too, man. I got A scale after this.
Yeah, I know. Same here. I got mine down there. One after
3 in a row.
Actually, I don't mind.
On the horn, drivers. Are we ready?
Yep.
Guess so.
Everybody in their spot. 10 seconds. This is A main. Be on your toes, marshals. 3, 2, 1. Here's your leader. Matt Cooper is your leader from Elburn, followed by Ken Jones. Drivers, 1 minute down. Your running order right now is Matt, Ken, Peter, Connor, RJ, and Randy. Is he broke?
Watch traffic, Marshall. You almost got nailed twice in the same lap.
4 minutes and 30 seconds, drivers. 4 minutes 30. Oh, help in the middle. Oh, he's good. Race number 13, 8 scale A main buggy. You guys will be next. Race 13, A main buggy. You guys will be next. Little help in the middle. Lots of help in the middle. All right, we're at the halfway mark. 3 minutes to go, drivers. 3 minutes. 3 minutes to go. Your running order still is Matt, Ken, Peter, Connor, Ramsey, RJ.
Sorry.
2 minutes 30 seconds on the clock. 2 minutes and 30. Minutes to go, drivers. 2 minutes. Race 13. Start getting ready. Race 13.
I'm just trying to play now. I can't catch you. I'm trying to trouble it.
2 minutes to go.
Yeah, I'm just doing the same old thing. Barely can see my car.
1 minute on the clock. Matt, Ken, Peter, Connor, Ramsey, and RJ, that's your running order right now. Matt and Ken got 11 laps. Peter and Connor got 10. Ramsey and RJ got 9. Their Matt just pulled in, he's got 12 laps now. Hey, Skills, get them ready. We're down to 20 seconds. 20 seconds left on the clock of this A-main race. All right. Randy, you're done. Matt Cooper, you're done. RJ, you're done.